Harry and Bernard had 456 marbles. Bernard and Jared had 974 marbles. Jared had 3 times as many marbles as Harry. How many marbles did Bernard have? So there's quite a bit of information there. But let's start. So we've got to draw Harry and Bernard, and we've got to draw Bernard and Jared. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write BH to represent Bernard and Harry. I'm going to do Bernard first because he's in both. Then I'm going to do Bernard and Jared. So this represents Bernard and Harry's amounts. This represents Bernard and Jared's amount. So Bernard and Harry, if I draw it like this, they had 456 marbles. Okay, and what I'm going to do is just use some colour to show this is Bernard's and this is Harry's. Okay, so we can clearly see the 2 people involved in that. Now, to draw Bernard and Jared's, I'm going to need to draw it about this long because it will need to include the same amount for Bernard, and then it will need to include 3 equal parts the same size as Harry's. And then 3 equal parts, so that has to be 1, that's 1. They're roughly equal in size. So again, let's colour it just to see that. So there is Bernard's amount, and here is Jared's amount. Now I'm doing it in green because in the question it says Jared has 3 times as many as Harry. So this and this is an equal part. So to represent it as an equal part, I'm using the same colour. So 974 marbles. Now we need to look for a clue that will tell us either what this equal part is or what these equal parts are. And there is a clue in this one. Because the total of Bernard and 1 equal part is 456. And the total of Bernard and 3 equal parts is 974. So that means the difference between these 2 numbers has to be 2 equal parts. So 974 take away 456. 4 take away 6, more on the floor. 14 take away 6 is 8. 6 take away 5. 6 tens take away 5 tens is 110. 900s take away 400s is 518. So these 2 equal parts equal 518. But we need to find what 1 equal part is worth. So 518 divided by 2 because it's 2 equal parts. 2, 1, 5, 1. So 1 equal part equals 259. Now we need to find out how many marbles Bernard had. So we've got the total of Bernard and Harry, and we've got a part. So we can use subtraction to find out the other missing part. So now if we do 456, take away the amount that Harry had, which was 259 marbles. On the floor. 16 take away 9, 7. 4 tens, more on the floor. 14 tens take away 5 tens is 9 tens. 300 take away 200 is 100. So in the end, Bernard had 100. We can work out Bernard had 197 marbles. So we're looking for the differences between when we're drawing these, and this is why using the same colour was quite important to help us recognise that link.